For 2020, Leatt have expanded their product line to include flat shoes. With riders in need of more durable and comfortable shoes with superb bike control qualities, Leatt believes their shoe will up the game with their new secret rubber recipe. The flat shoe range consists of the DBX 2.0 and the more durable DBX 3.0. The 2.0 features a body made of synthetic suede. It has an added durable water-repellent coating and a compression webbing lace. The more performance-driven 3.0 consists of a tougher synthetic leather with extra ventilation protected by waterproof and breathable membrane. Both shoes incorporate Leatt's next-level carbon moisture wicking quick-dry material. The flat grip sole consists of an optimized waffle grip pattern made from Leatt's sticky compound that prevents tears, punctures, and long-term abrasions. Furthermore, Leatt has featured toe and heel mud channels, which efficiently keep the mud off your soles, keeping you in constant contact with your pedals. If you're worried about comfort, Leatt has you covered. With a molded stabilizing anti-heel lift with tendon relief, long ride aches will be no more. The DBX flats are well thought out and one of the best flat pedal shoes I've ridden as far as comfort and water resistance goes. So if you're looking at getting a new pair of shoes to provide you with both maximum grip and comfort, Leatt's flat shoe range delivers the perfect performance sneaker that keeps you cool and in control. The new 2020 range is now in stock at Pushys online. Find the perfect fit at pushys.com.au.